Curiosity made me ask, why do people feel they are actually being manipulated in the Forex market? Let's look at Forex secrets you never know that you feel is manipulation. 1. For the market to buy, there must be people selling it. 2. Your stop loss is a liquidity zone. You ask yourself, why is the market always coming to my stop loss, takes me out, and then does what I wanted to do? It's because when there are too many stop loss in the same zone, the market targets that zone because that is liquidity. And the moment it takes that liquidity, it shoots up to where you have predicted it. So it doesn't mean you're wrong. What it simply means is that you need to be more decisive on your entry position. Think like the manipulator. Think like the whales. Where would they enter this market? Where will they come to take stop loss? Where will I put stop loss and the market will come for it? Don't enter those areas. Wait for the area where people actually put their stop loss. That is the area where you should literally enter the market. So I would advise you, always wait for a retracement. Don't take the risk of being the first to go into the market. 3. 2 hours before the news goes public, informed traders have already made their money and closed their position. 2 hours before the news goes public, informed traders has made their money and closed their position. And we just go into the market and struggle. 4. Every gap in the market must be corrected before the trend continues. Every gap in the market must be corrected before the trend continues. And then no broker is manipulating you. It's the action of the traders that leads to the sudden spike as a result of fear. The action of the traders is as a result of fear. And due to the speed at which we simultaneously close our position, the market spike in that direction. It's not manipulation. 6. Every spike will be corrected before the trend continues. Let's call this a day, and don't forget to milk the market. Have a nice day.